Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Bhupen Hazarika birth anniversary. Bhupen Hazarika was a legendary Indian musician, singer, composer, lyricist, and filmmaker known for his immense contributions to the world of music. He was born on September 8, 1926, in Sadia, Assam, and passed away on November 5, 2011. Bhupen Hazarika's life and work continue to inspire generations of artists and music enthusiasts. His musical journey was deeply influenced by Assamese folk music, Bihu songs, and the traditional melodies of the region. He blended these indigenous elements with various other musical styles, including Indian classical, Western, and Latin American music, creating a unique and eclectic style that appealed to a wide audience. In addition to his musical pursuits, Bhupen Hazarika was a noted filmmaker. He directed and composed music for several Assamese and Bengali films, such as Shakuntala and Chameli Memsab. His songs often addressed issues such as poverty, inequality, and human rights. He received numerous awards and honors during his lifetime, including the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Dada Saheb Phalke Award, which is the highest honor in Indian cinema. He was also posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award, in 2019. Bhupen Hazarika's contributions to music, cinema, and society at large have left an indelible mark on Indian culture.